Okay, there we go. Now you can hear me. Oh no, there's an echo. It's not supposed to be an echo. Okay, so, I need to get my headphones. I'm gonna go get my headphones real quick. Hello, hello. Can you hear me now? I'm sorry, as you could tell, I haven't been streaming in a long time. I hope these headphones are working. Wait. Hello, test. Okay, my headphones are working. So yeah, today, Zombie Fighting Simulator. I haven't been on this game since last summer, which is almost a year ago. Wait a second. Oh, okay. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing the revamp of the GUI. So as you can see, well, I revamped a lot of the GUI already, but if you open up, like a GUI, let's do, where's the GUI? For example, not that. I'm trying to find it. I was so disorganized. I didn't know how to organize, I guess. Here we go. The shop right here. If you were to open up like this one frame, for example, open up the Game Pass frame visible. Look how bad this looks. Look how bad this is. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be revamping the GUI because this is terrible. I have no GUI skills back then, and now I'm much better at it. So we're gonna be making everything look better. So first of all, it's just I can't talk. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on it. So yeah. Okay, I'm just seeing how I did these, because I don't entirely remember how I did all these things back then. Okay, so all these. Okay, so in this frame, I'm just going to add in a UI corner real quick. Right. The corner radius. 10, okay. Nope. Oh, hello everyone in the chat. I wasn't reading the chat. Hello Grizzly Blocks and Flamey Fury and Guru and Math and everyone else who's there. Sorry I wasn't reading. And thank you everyone who's here actually. I know you could probably help, but I would need to create a backup for that because I have been grieved before and I don't want that to happen again. So thank you, Flamey Fury. You're welcome. But I have been grieved before, so I'm really just worried about that happening. So if I would let anyone help, I would need to create a backup, which is something that I'm not entirely sure how to do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add in gradient. I haven't done this in a long time. So I think this frame, I'm gonna make it like, I don't know, I don't really have a lot of ideas. I think I'm gonna make this like a blue gradient, I guess, like that. It's not appearing. Yeah. Oh yeah, cause and there's the version history, but I haven't used that in a while. Yeah, I could revert it. Okay, but why is this not working? Why? Oops. The UI gradient is not working. It's supposed to make it a color sequence. Oh, I know why. It's because the color is set to black and needs to be set to white. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the gradient. I think the blue kind of looks weird, so I'm gonna make it dark blue. Maybe I should do like black to gray or something like that. I think that could look kind of nice. Okay. Like that. I don't do GUI that often, so it might look kind of weird. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out what to do because I'm kind of still figuring out what I have going on here. I don't really remember a lot of what I did back then, so I'm trying to figure out what all of these things do so I know how to like edit them right. Okay, so I'm just going to copy the UI corner and I'm going to put it in the passes frame right here, right? Okay. Alright, so that one is a corner, hopefully now. But what is this corner doing over here? I'm not sure what that frame is. I am not sure where, like, to... I'm just confused, because I don't know what I have going on here. It's like... This is so long ago. So I guess I can just add in a corner, first of all, to all of these. Make it look smoother. Okay. Alright, there we go. That looks much better already. The blocky things just look so ugly. What's the UI stroke? I've never actually heard of. Oops, how did I get all the way back here? I was reading chat. I'm not actually sure what a UI stroke is, so let me try that out, see what that is. First of all, I keep opening this unorganized workspace, so I'm going to close that. Let's see. I'll add in a UI script, see what it does. UI stroke. Alright, see what that does. Oh, it adds an outline. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it adds an outline to the rounded corners. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, that's a nice little thing. I didn't even know about that. I didn't even think of the GUIs like this could have rounded corners. Alright, thank you for that. Alright, so... Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Alright, so what I'm going to do next, I guess, is like, where is it? Right here? Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what this corner is. Okay. This is, should be, okay, that's confusing. I'm just trying to see why this corner is here, because it shouldn't really be there. Because I'm pretty sure I have a UI corner for everything now. I can add it for the Game Pass label, I guess. Where is it? Okay, first of all, I'm gonna add it to all of these. So everything in here should be rounded because that is the way that I like it. I don't like these blocky GUIs anymore. They used to be the only thing I knew how to do, but now I've gotten moderately better at GUIs, and I like the rounded ones. Here we go. Sure, send me a model of your GUI. Okay, this Game Pass shop thingy is kind of sticking out of the frame, so I'm just gonna go ahead and figure that out. Is it Game Pass? No, this. I can go like that, I guess. Right? Okay. I guess that's the only way. How do I make it like below the close thing? That's what I want to do. Okay, you can close all of these frames first of all. Okay, well I guess it just I'm just gonna move it out from here because I don't want it to be overlapping this button. Alright, I guess that's the best way I'm gonna do it. Alright. I'm just thinking a little bit. Send me a model, send me your GUI model in the thingy. Hover over buttons. Makes your UI slightly bigger. That's cool. Sure, send me it so I can see it if you want to. Because I don't... That seems pretty cool. I've seen those in like simulator games. I've always wondered about that actually. I've never been sure how they do it. I'm still trying to get rid of this little cheeky corner that doesn't want to go away. Even though there's a UI corner right here. So I don't know what's going on with this. Oops, I did not mean to delete that. There's a UI corner. What is going on with it? Okay. I'm not going to be able to sleep tonight if this thing is not getting cornered, so I need it to be cornered. Let's see, how do I do this? Why is... Okay, I really hate this little corner thing, so how do you... Huh? There's a UI corner right there. Hello? What? Okay, I'll go open it up on Discord in a little bit. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to live with this broken corner. For now, but hopefully I'll figure it out later. Okay. So the Game Pass shop. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and test out the Game Pass shop now. Okay. As soon as it loads in. I really need to update this game loading thing because I don't have all of these YouTube channels anymore. Alright, so I click on it. Some of them have no image. Don't worry about that. Okay. So yeah, I guess that looks pretty cool. They're pretty good. You can buy the VIP. Purchase the VIP succeeded. Double gold. Alright, so it updates with everything. Okay. That's pretty cool. Alright. I like how I did that. What in the world is that? Oh, it's the sun. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and see how the mechanics of this game work. so I know how I can go ahead and update it, because oh yeah, this is something from a long time ago, because I kind of forgot, to be honest. So I have these zombies here. There you go, they see me. You hit them with the sword. Okay, so their animation needs to be updated. They can still damage you when they're dead. Okay, so obviously this game's really buggy and you have to fix all these things. Okay, and you have to hold E to loot. Okay, so that's something I can work on later. I can make him drop coins that only one player can see. I learned how to do that recently, so I can do it later. With the help of Roblox dev forums. Alright. Chat. Alright. So I just need to update a lot of these things that are really like old-fashioned. Alright, I'm gonna go see the Discord thing now. I'm gonna move this away from here. Okay. The UI under it, that's why, huh? There's a UI under what? What do you mean? Oh, this? The corner? I'm not really sure what you mean there's a UI under it. Okay, I'm trying to find it again because I lost it. Scrolling frame. Oh, it's the wrong thing. Okay, game passes the sharp corner. Yeah, I know what you're talking about, but I just don't know what UI. So I'm confused. There's a UI under it. I mean, I don't understand what you mean. Oh, these? No, I don't think it's these. There's something under it. Oh, is this like... I'm really just confused. Like... Stroke... Oh yeah, this one... Oh, I think that... Yeah, this might be a separate frame. But nothing's... I don't think anything's under it, though. Because if you were to delete this frame... Then... You see it's gone. You see? If it's back, then the corner's there. So that under it is this frame right here. So this frame extends onto here. And this is on top of this frame, if that makes sense. So this is sitting on top of this frame. So under this is the rounded corner. So this is rounded. This is a separate frame. And you can see none of the corners are rounded. If I move it out of the frame, you can see that all of the corners are sharp and they're not rounded at all. I think it honestly might be a scrolling frame issue. Maybe it doesn't work with scrolling frames or something like that. Because you can see two different frames. Let's see. Shrink it. Still a corner though. That you mean? I guess that could work. Yeah, I guess so. Alright. I guess that's what I'm just gonna have to stick with for now. Because it's not really working how Roblox should be working. So I guess that's okay for now. Yeah, I'm gonna read chat now because it's been a while. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not really working. Local script. Local BTN. Okay. So this is the script you sent me. Alright, I have the script now. See, if I put it in a local script inside of a button, like inside of the close button, is that how it works? I'm gonna try that. Where's the close button? Okay, so if I put it a local script inside of here, and I paste it, what is this? There's a lot of errors. Oh, I just need, okay. I understand what you mean. Okay. It's going to be a little bit of work to implement all of these tweens. So, okay. So, original size of your UI. Alright, so I'm just going to try this real quick to see how it works. Just got to copy the size, 0.061. Alright. Comma 0, comma 1, 0.106, comma 0, right? C. Then you need to make it slightly bigger and slightly smaller. Slightly bigger, be like that. So I'm just gonna write that down. Okay. Yeah, I have to fill those in. So I'm filling them in right now. So I'm doing. What happened here? I think okay, there we go. So you do 0.076, comma 0, comma 0.125, comma 0. And then smaller version of the UI would be original and then smaller, just like that. Alright, and then the size, just going to copy it down again. Let's see if it works. My mic broke. My mic still works. My microphone is working, so I think your audio broke. Takes Fox. I'm gonna do please donate next week. I plan to give away about like 1,000 Robux next week doing the please donate thing. I've been giving away a lot of Robux lately because I feel generous. But okay, so smaller version, paste the smaller version. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to do 0.049, comma 0, comma 0.081, comma 0. Okay. So now if we test it, let's see if it works. Alright, thank you for sending me the script. I think it'll look pretty cool. You hover over it, it gets bigger, original, and then it goes back. Alright, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, so thank you for showing me that script. Okay, so I think next I'm gonna work on the stats thing. Look how ugly this looks. Alright, this is not ideal. So I'm gonna be working on this next. Oh gosh, I'm dying. Okay. Just join what? What do you mean just join? Alright, so I'm gonna do, so that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna save that script somewhere. I'm going to save that in like a Google Docs real quick. What's your question, Gerber? What's your question? I sound tired, sick. Well, I probably sound tired because I woke up like 2 hours ago. I haven't even eaten breakfast actually. I just woke up. I just started setting up OBS Studio because I forgot to do it last night. So I had a lot to do today. And then I immediately started streaming. So if I sound kind of tired, that is why. I'm going to go save my script they sent me in the Google Docs right now. That's where I saved my scripts. Okay, I'm going to go copy it again. Alright, oops, that's not right. Why in the world is it underlined like that? Okay, my thing is behaving weird. I'm trying to figure that out. Sorry, wait, just like 1 second. Okay, I'm just gonna have to live with that for now. Alright, I saved the script. Now I can get back to it. Also, is the game public? The game is not public. Sizing works in Roblox Studio. Sizing works. Script sizing. It's like, I don't really know how to explain it. You can tween it, or like I don't know how to explain it like in a beginner's way. udem2.new is basically the thing for size. So if I did script.parents. Oh, this is okay. I'm just gonna do it in the GUI script real quick to show how it works. Okay, so if I did script.parent.size equal to udem2.new, and then I would put the size value of the frame there. I guess that's the best way to explain it. I don't really know how to explain it very well. Alright, so I'm going to work on my tower defense scheme. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to put in other buttons, but I'm just doing it for testing right now. Right now I want to work on making the GUI look good, rather than the functionality. I guess that is making it look good, but I'm going to do that later, because that's something that will take a while. Alright. The game is not public. YouTube, that is... Okay. I already did test a GUI. The size value is like a single number. The size value, so if I were to just get this button right here, this price button, I have the properties tab right here. This is a size value. You have your size and you have your offset. Offset is different for all devices, so if I did the offset, it would look different on a computer than on a phone, so you should use the size. So you have your X value and your Y value. It's basically how it is. It's not a single number. This is the size value. See, it's multiple numbers. Oh, my model. Did you send me your model? I don't think I got your model. I don't think I received your model. Yeah, I didn't. Okay, send a link. I only know Lua, but I wanna learn Unity sometime in the future. So when I grow up, I want to be a game developer mostly. So I think I'll learn Unity sometime in the future. What do you mean about something exists? Yeah, I don't see any links. I just see a message that says, here is the link, and then there's nothing there. So DM me on Discord and send me the link. Yeah, about Discord, my main account got banned, which is kind of sad. I lost all my DMs, so if you message me and I'm not responding, it's probably because you're messaging my banned account. Okay, so I'm gonna work on the stats thing now before I do any more of these. Alright, so I'm gonna make this visible to false. First of all, I'm gonna actually copy a UI corner. Okay. So in the stats, where are the stats? I don't actually know. Okay, stats. Let's make this visible. Oops. Okay. So as you can see, this stat frame looks absolutely horrendous. Unity is my favorite game engine. That's cool. Unity, I tried to learn it, kind of hard. Unity is C hashtag, I think. Wow, parentheses, huh? I'm not sure what you mean. Unreal is C++, yeah. Well, 50 equals 50 equals true exists. I'm not really sure what you mean by that. I'm kind of new to positioning GUIs with scripts. I've only been learning that recently. So I don't really know what you're trying to say. Okay, I'll go see. Chat. How do you get banned? I'm not going to explain how I got banned because I can get banned again for saying it. Somehow I violated the terms of service, and I'm not going to say how, but okay, accepted your friend request. Send me the thing. Cool GUI. I'm going to download it. Yeah, I used to do block coding a lot. I used to use Tinker, which is really popular when I was a kid. I'm not sure if it still is, but all the kids would be showing off their Tinker projects. So I was terrible at block coding. Okay, I'm gonna paste this in or implement it. My models, cool GUI. Here we go. Where's the test GUI? See how this looks. Text. Ooh, how'd you get that underline? I'm gonna turn off the stats for now so I can see this better. It actually looks really neat, especially that underline. I see that in a lot of simulator games. Is that another frame just under it? I can't say how I'm banned in YouTube because then someone could use it to report my Discord server, and I don't really want to take another risk. Okay, so this GUI, it looks really nice, to be honest. I'm trying to figure out where it is here. Text label. How did you get that underlined? Roundify. You roundified the roundify? Wait. Oh, yeah, I'm confused. How'd you get that little... oh, it's another frame. Okay, I understand. Okay, so if you play it... so you added another roundified frame under the roundified frame. I never actually thought of that. I thought it was like a UI underline or something like that. Okay, so I didn't do anything, just buttons. That's still pretty cool though. I see that like in a lot of simulator games. I've never really thought about how that worked. What is this librarian? I don't remember this. Hello, Netherite Dev. Welcome to the library. This is where you can sell. Oh, this is what my old avatar looked like. This is where you can sell your knowledge on zombies, aka experience, for 0.02 gold experience point. Your knowledge on fighting zombies will help civilians around the world fight back. Plus, we can collect enough of your experience to write a book. You get a small amount of extra cash from people who buy it. You currently have 330 experience. Do you want to open the experience shop? Be aware that you can also expand an experience on other things. I cannot read that. I think this is researching new zombie portals. Yes. Oh, and then it just opens a frame that has nothing on it. Okay, that's cool. While loops do exist, like while true do, that is a loop that does exist. Alright, I'm gonna put the GUI in server storage for now so I can reference it later. I'll keep it here, I'm just gonna disable it for now. So while true loops do exist, or I think a wild false loop a thing? I'm not sure, I've never used it. But yeah, forever loop is a while true loop. So while true is a forever loop until you break the script with a break function. Oh yeah, current subscribers amount. That's something I did for the last video. I first forgot to delete timestamps. So I'm just trying right now. So I forgot to delete this timestamps in the current subscribers. Current subscribers is just so I can look back in time and how many subscribers I had when I made this video. Forgot to delete that. And I also forgot to delete the timestamps for this description. It's kind of lame. Okay, so I'm going to work on the stats right now. These look terrible. So that definitely needs to be fixed. And so does this map as well. This is a horrible looking map. I think I could use the new material service. I don't know how to use it, but I can figure it out. And I think I could make it look kind of neat if I knew how to use the material service. So I'll try to figure that out later. Okay. So what I'm going to do, where is the stats? I'm going to go ahead and add in a UI gradient. And then I'm going to gradient it. This one will be blue to blue. Let's do like a lighter blue, just like that. Close. Oh, it's because the color needs to be white for it to work. You make the color white. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. The frame color needs to be white. Alright, the background color needs to be white. And then what I do is the UI gradient can affect it. Let's do the color. Let's do the dark blue and the light blue. Or that might be too much blue for the frame. Please can do GUI. I'm bored to death. Sure. You join the group if you're not in the group, because that's how I'm going to give you access. X equals size plus example. No, it's not how size works. No, you can't make the size to +3 because the size is different. The size isn't one number, it's two values. It's an X value, then the offset, if you used an offset, and then it's the Y value, and then it's another offset. So it's not one number. Okay, so I think these blues, it might be too much blue from one frame. It's a lot of blue. So I think either I'm going to keep this blue, or I'm going to need to change the frame backgrounds, the other frames. Could make it darker like that, I guess. That could look kind of nice. Make the GUIs 3D. Okay, I can do that, I guess. That might take a while though, because then you have to duplicate like every GUI. That's the X size an auto-generated variable. The X size, you can type in the size if you're really good with that, or you can just like scale it up like this. Like, I'm not sure what you mean. Like if you scaled it up, so if I look at the size right now, you can see the size right here. Alright, so if I scale it up, pay attention to that, you can see it automatically changes, or you can manually change it. So if you're really good with size, you can do 0.5, and then you'll set to whatever you just did. So, if you're really good with that, but I'm not, so. Alright, so I keep opening workspace. It's so unorganized. So what I'm going to do is I am going to okay, first of all, this gradient, this color could be a little bit lighter. There we go. Exercise in the other scripts too? What do you mean? Like, I'm not sure what you're trying to like explain to me. Even if it's different. What? Oh, okay, I'm gonna add you first of all into the thingy. I'll give you the permissions. You're the 150th member. I need to join my other account first of all. You can change the X size with a different unim. Oh yeah, you guys talk about like changing the size. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Alright, I'm gonna give you permissions real quick, but first I'm gonna finish working on this for a little bit. Because before I do anything else, I just want to finish this frame. So I'm going to set the color of this. Oops. No, it's the wrong thing. Text color. Let me set to white. Alright. And then current. I guess that's fine for now. But I'm going to add in the UI corner. Duplicate it, move it into all of these frames. Okay. And then what I can also do is I can make them all have a UI stroke. Thank you, Flames, for sending me that, by the way. That is really helpful. So UI stroke. I had not known about that before. Just gonna add on to everything here. UI stroke. And that's UI stroke. There we go. So now everything has a stroke. Okay. I'm going to give you the permissions now. Variable plus 10 equals 50 equals true. It's not really how it works. You create variables. Variables can be anything in Roblox. It's not just numbers. Okay, so I'm going to do members, Grizzly Boy. I will make you a dev for now. There we go. So now you should be able to join. Okay. Alright, so I gave you permissions if you want to join. I'm just going to finish working on this for now. Okay, so text button. Okay, so now there's a nice little thingy to it. I can make this a UI gradient as well. Oops. A UI gradient. I can set the color of it to white first of all. Alright, and then the gradient is going to be going to I forgot what I was doing for a second. Okay, so I'm going to make this red to also red. So like that. And then this can be a little bit darker. Can I join too? What are you going to do in the game? Can I join what? Alright, so now I'm just going to make the text color of it to either be white or black. White doesn't work for some reason, so I'm just going to do black. Alright, so there we go, that's our stats frame. And I guess I could make them to be have a background as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate all of these. And I'm going to move them. First of all, I can make... Wait. Okay, I did this wrong. Okay. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm just going to select these. And then the frame. And I'm going to duplicate it. Oh wait, that selects everything. I don't want to do that. Hey, I'm trying to make it 3D, like suggested. Okay, I'm just going to do this one at a time. So you get this, right? You duplicate it, move it down. First of all, you need to parent this to the... Which one was the parent? I don't actually know. Okay, so this is the parent one. So then you would parent this one to the bottom one, right? Which one's the bottom one? Okay, all the way down there, of course. I'm going to take this one, and I think you would parent it, like, not that one. Okay, I messed that up. Okay, it's on top now, so this one moves like that. And I think it would go ahead and delete the text label and the UI stroke, right? I'm just trying to figure this out. So you delete the UI stroke, then you'd make this one a different color. So it's set the color of this one to be a different blue. Like, I'm trying to figure this out. So like that. Yeah, like that, right? It makes it like a shadow. I think that's how you do it, right? Yeah, use it as a shadow. Alright, so it's fine. Right, and what you do is I'm just going to add one of these to each of them. If I could stop opening up the workspace. Okay, this needs to be on top. Okay, so the main issue I'm having right now is getting these to be on top. I know you can set like the UI something and make it, like set the order of it. So what I'm going to do is, I forgot what it is. Z index, there we go. So if I set this Z index to like, let's do 10. Alright, and I set this one, I set the Z index of this one to be 9. Then it should be under it, right? No. Okay, but if I set the Z index of it, Z index about 9, you do 8. No? 11? I'm just really confused. How do you do the Z index? Oh, there we go. That works. So then you'd make it, why do I keep losing where the frame is? This one right here. Nope. Okay. Now it's stuck under there. This is really confusing. The background, which one is it? Here it is. Z index of 0, we're going to do 1 because... No, because then that happens. This one, oh, that's why. I think, right? Z index is this. Z index is 10. The frame itself, the Z index, is 1. So if you up it, it'd be 2, right? There we go. That's what I needed to happen. And they do that. I keep saying loading. You can say this, you can change the size of the script, but just, I don't think we understand what you're talking about. Like, it changes size. You'll need to do udim 2, and you'll put the new size value after you size it up, but I don't really know, like, I don't understand what you're trying to convey. Okay. There we go. The shadow is working. It actually looks kind of neat. Okay, but now all of the Z indexes. Okay. Background. 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 Okay, I think it's all of them they have, right? I think so. Oh no, I accidentally deselected them. Okay, so basically what I need to do is for all of these, I need to set the Z index to like something different. Like change size by 50. No, you can't change size like that. It's not, in order to change size, you would have to, yeah, it doesn't work like that, because it's not, yeah, no, it's not how it works. Well, I guess I could try, like if I do, oops, I'm gonna see if that works, because I guess Okay, now I understand what you're trying to say, but I don't think it works like that. So let's see. So you have this button here, and the local script. Do script.parent.size equals udem2.new x plus 50. Is that what you're trying to do? Because it's not how it works. If you're trying to do this, it's not really the way to do it. So that's not how you change size. It wouldn't work like that. But I guess if you wait, let's see. Can you do size? I have the size right here, 0.486. So 0.486 plus 50, like that, and then comma 0. I'm going to do 0.50 because plus 50 is too big. And then you do comma and keep going like that. And then you do 0.058. Like, is this what you're trying to do right here? Let's see if this works. Because I've actually never tried it like that. Okay, so if you have it, which one was it? Yeah, I guess it does work, because this one is slightly bigger than all the other ones. So yeah, it does work. You can see this one is definitely bigger than these ones over here, even though it's kind of covered like this. So yeah, that does work. Alright, I've never actually tried it that way, but yeah, it does. It's pretty neat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna delete that now because I don't need that script anymore. So, where is it? I started screaming 69 minutes ago. And I'm trying to figure out where the script goes, because I don't know which frame I added it into. So, here it is, right? There, no. Right here. Okay, here you go. Or maybe that didn't work. Wait. I'm not sure if that did. I'm going to add the script into something else. Like if I add it into the background instead. Alright, I'm going to move the background over here so I can see it better. Alright, let's see. Let's see if this works. So I'm not sure if that did work. Yeah, it doesn't work. It says it's not it. Where is it? I don't see it. Yeah, but it isn't working. I don't see the error message anywhere, but it doesn't. I guess it doesn't work. Or maybe it does. Just to make it. I'm not sure. I don't know. Something I have to experiment with later, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't work that way. Okay. So you can do z index 2. Right, and then, oops. Alright. There you go. So I'm just going to make all these frames work now. It logged me out of my Pigeon Flies, which is owned by my dad, so. Not official. Oh, hi, Pigeon. Hello, Pigeony. Alright. So, yeah, so these UI frames. Alright, I'm gonna start actually working on the UI then. There now. Alright, so this z-index can be set to 2. Z-index can be set to 2. Z-index can be set to 2. How dare you forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel right now. Alright, so, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move these under it. And yeah, there it goes. Make it 3D looking. It's much better than it did look before. Even though it's bugging again and it's going under it. Didn't I just raise the z-index? Oh, I understand. I didn't do it for the background. I did it for the text. Okay, that's why. Z-index 2. There we go. Okay, that was pretty dumb. That. Nope. Okay. So then this frame as well, I probably messed up on, right? Yeah, I did. So I said there's the index of the frame and not the label. And then you'll duplicate this and move it under. Yes, there we go. 3D text, just like that, just like you guys asked. There we go. I guess you can also do this one as well. That. Remove everything from under it. The UI corner can be kept. Text button, the text can be set to nothing. And the color set to like red like that. And then the z-index can be set to 1. The z-index can be set to 2. And there we go. I accidentally made it a button still, but you're in a different game than me. What do you mean? Are you in the wrong studio game? Like the wrong group game, I mean. Alright, there we go. Now all of the text looks 3D. Alright. The next thing I'm gonna edit is this shop button. I'm gonna make it to look like these buttons right here for the stats and codes. I can also edit the stat button as well. So I can make this invisible now. The same game, but a different game. Wait, leave that game, because I think team create permissions. Let's see. How do I add the editing permissions? Home, game settings, permissions. Dev. You don't have access. Oh, I can't edit these, that's why. That's weird. I can't invite you to any game. You should be able to enter it. Wait, leave the other game that you're in because it might corrupt this one. So just leave studio and see how I can invite you. 'Cause I actually know, how do I invite you? I don't, usually it just lets them join in automatically. I don't even have to invite anyone. So that's weird. Okay. Okay, like that. And set the background transparency to 1. The text scaled. Stats. This color would be white. And then the font. Okay, so I'm just adding a text label to this. Here we go. You invite me to the right game. It's called Zombie Fighting. Zombie Fighting Simulator is the name of the game. Zombie Fighting is different from Zombie Fighting Simulator. Your own example script. Okay, what's your example script? Okay, so the shop button is what I'm going to change next. I'm going to make it look like the stats and the codes button. Right, like that. Around the same size. 67 by 67. Okay. 67. Okay, this is hard to do. I like to manually scale it because I don't know. I'm not really good at scaling it myself from the thingy. Zombie fighting. Zombie fighting, I don't think is the right thing. So I think it's something different. Instead of an image button, I can do image, or instead of a, like this, offset, or no, size, be setting it to 0, 0, 0, 0, and I can scale it up. How do I scale this? There we go. Why is it 1 pixel off? Wait, whatever. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this open shop. And I'm going to put it in the button. Where's the button? Here it is. And I can go ahead and rename it to Open Shop. Okay. Just like that. And then what I can do is I can add in an image label. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to get shopping cart clip art. And okay, I need a shopping cart clip art. I guess this one, not that one. I just need a good shopping cart. Why is it so hard to find a good shopping cart clip art? Okay, I guess this one will work for now. I couldn't load image, of course. This one. There you go. So I can. Oh, it's not transparent. This one. Okay, this one's transparent. I can save. And okay, I'm gonna move my files off the screen. And I can name it shoppingcart.png. Okay, so then in Roblox, I can go ahead and on the image and click plus, and then I can choose file. I can get shopping. Oh wait, I need to get rid of this. Shopping cart. There you go. Create. And there we go. I have my shopping cart. The background transparency can be set to 0 actually. I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these two, and then I can go ahead and move it into this one right here. Paste into, and then I can just change gradient. I can do like green to darker green or lighter green. There we go. And then I can go ahead and also add in a text label. So size. Of that. And make it into a shop. So I can set the text, scale, and shop, just like that. And that transparency. And then you can get the font, luckiest guy. And then we can set the text color to be, wait, have you watched the Backroom series? No, I have not. What should I do? I guess you could work on, if you want to, you could do, like, work on adding the underlined things, I guess, to the main screen. I guess if you want to. Okay, server chat. Chat, I've been pinged 6 times. Okay, while 50 equals 50, if touching mouse, change size. That's not really how you do it at all. Yeah, that's not how you do the size. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to set the text color of this to be black, I guess. Or I could do like a gray. What was that noise? It scared me. What was that? I'm looking on Discord and I hear ring, ring, ring. British Oreo has subscribed. Oh, thank you. I don't think I have a subscription box for that. Maybe I do. See, do I? I'm not sure if I do or not. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I do. Hi. I don't... Someone donated. I don't have donations. I'm not monetized. I have not... Yeah, someone subscribed. Thank you, British Oreo. Or British Army Oreo. I have not watched the Backrooms. I do not like scary movies. Okay. So now that I have the shop button working, I'm just going to move it down here first of all. Let's make sure that still works when I open the shop. Alright, so if I click the shop button right here, see, right, good, it opens up this shop here. You can buy the okay-ish sword. And they also have the noob sword. Let's see if these work. And you loot them. Give me your money. Okay, I'm just testing it out again for fun. Look at this. Massacre. Give me all your money. Alright, so the gold does work. There's a glitch. What in the world is this? That was for an ad purpose I was going to do a long time ago. What in the world? How? Oh, it's the weapons. Weapons anchored in the ground. This is the most ridiculous scene I've ever seen. Wait, if I go like up here, how do you join? I'm not really sure actually how you join, but what in the world is happening here? Oh, I can fly! I can fly! Go to game settings, perms. I'm literally flying. Like, what in the world? Okay, that's weird. And then I'm just gonna drown. Alright, I know, go to game settings, permissions, and go to dev. Click no access and change it. See, that's the thing. I can't actually do that. See, because I am not the owner of my group. My alt account is my group holder. Because you know about cheating GUIs. What cheating GUIs? What cheating GUIs? I'm not sure what you mean. Okay. I think I can't actually give you the permissions. In order to do that, I'm gonna need to be on my alt account, my group holder account, and I'm not on that account right now. So I can't give you the permissions because then I'd have to do a lot of stuff to get there. Alright, so now what I can do, I guess, is I can keep on working on the shop. So in the shop, frame, game passes are rated. Weapons, here you go, make this visible. Yes, needs a lot of work. Script hubs. I don't know what script hubs are. Look, this is how it works in Scratch. Sassy.objects. Pigeon just sent me this file. Let's see what it is. Bruh, okay. I'm gonna see if you can download this. Oh, it's already downloaded. Okay. I'm gonna put that behind the house. I can do, first of all, in the workspace here, go ahead and add in a mesh part. Where's the mesh part? Mesh. I can't see anything. Here it is, mesh part. And then we can set, where is it? Where's the mesh part? Here it is. What we can do is we can make the mesh ID. Yeah. Alright, I am back. I had to go do something. I'm actually not sure how you can join this, because I really don't know, to be honest. I'm pretty sure that developers already have the permissions to join it, so I'm not sure why it's not working for you, because you should already be able to join it. I'm going to find the Easter egg where it saves to. Downloads sussy.object. Yes. Alright. Implement the sussy. Where'd it go? Oh, yes, here it is, pigeon. There you go. I'm going to set the color of it to red. I'm going to put it behind this house. Okay, there you go. Brick color. We're going to make it red. There we go. Here's the imposter. I'm going to take a screenshot of Sussy. Alright, there we go. Upload a file. There you go. Send him the pigeon. Perfect. Just show it. Okay. Open up Scratch. Yeah, but the thing is, you already have access to it, so I don't know why it's not working. Okay, pigeon. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Gerbu. When flag clicked forever, if touching mouse pointer, then change size by 0.2. I really don't know what this is, because I'm not a block coder, so I don't know what this means at all. Probably shouldn't be moving this. Okay. So yeah, I don't really know what to do. I know what you're talking about, Grizzly Boy. So if I go to settings and then permissions, you think that I'll need to add for dev, but I know what to do, but I need to be on my main account to give you permission. I'm not on my main account. I need to be on my alt account. I'm on my main account right now, and I need to be on my alt account, and I'm not on my alt account. I have to go look up the password, so I don't actually know how to give it to you, or I can't give it to you, I mean. Okay, actually, I'm going to try something. I've been trying to implement some of my Blender models, but they've been kind of broken. Let's see. If I were to add, see, one of my Blender models, where's Blender? Just going to test something out real quick. If I did some of my models from here, pickaxe, for example. Okay, and I go to it. The colors are all messed up, so if anyone here knows how to fix these messed up colors, please let me know, because these are really annoying. This is supposed to be a diamond pickaxe, but it turns into a green pickaxe, and I don't know why. Okay. Anyway, I'm just going to do one last GUI for this video. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Okay. I'm going to do one last GUI. I'm going to copy the UI corner. And then we can go ahead and add it into weapons. You have the UI corner in here. And then I can just go ahead, or this is a different UI corner. Where is it? UI corner radius would be 10 and 0.05. And there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and add these into all of the little frames here. Oops. UI corner, coin. Oops, the coin doesn't need a UI corner. Alright. So, I need to go soon, so this is the last thing I'm going to be editing. And then lastly, you can put it in the scrolling frame here. The gold, no, the gold. The text button. Wait, what? Oh yeah, where's the text button? Oh yeah, that's the close, okay. And then the text label. And then this as well, right? Not this. So I had to go do something real quick. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this. I'm almost done. Right here. And then the game pass and then the weapon. Alright. So everything here should be cornered. Again, the scrolling frames are a bit bugged, so I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller so you can't see the bugginess that much. And obviously these colors could be a little bit better, but it's okay for now. Yeah, they definitely could be a lot better, but I guess I could do it, so I can add in like scrolling frames, or not scrolling frames. I could add in I'm trying to think. I can add in UI gradients. That's what they're called. Okay. So for the background here, I can go ahead and add in a UI gradient. And the color will be set to blue, darker blue. Close. Okay, it's hard to see actually because it's transparent, but it is a gradient. Actually, I can't see it at all because the color of this needs to be set to white. And the UI gradient, okay. The UI gradients don't work because it's transparent, I'm pretty sure. So it's whatever. Yeah, anyways, that was about wrap it up for this video, or this stream actually, because I need to go eat breakfast, and I am hungry, okay? I just woke up and started streaming, so, yeah, that's gonna about wrap it up for this stream. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. I'd really much appreciate it. Next week, I'm gonna give away around 1,000 Robux in a game, so that's my maximum, but I'm gonna give away a lot of Robux next week. And if you stream next week, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed